In this video, I'm going to share what I did to make my DIY Halloween costume for the Energizer Bunny. It is Halloween of 2023 and I am home waiting for trick-or-treaters. I just got home from all-day activities at my office with lots of Halloween events, and I actually ended up taking home the best costume, and I got a lot of questions about my costume, so I figured it would be great for me just to make a quick video about it while I still remember everything I did. So my costume consisted of a little bunny kit. So it had the ears, it had a little bow that went around my neck, and then it had this little bunny tail that I already pre-owned that stuff, and I owned this pink shirt. But I ended up buying the pink pants that I'm wearing that I will insert a picture of. And then I also had to purchase this hat box from Amazon, and I will also link that item in the category below. I think the box itself was about, or the hat box was, I know it was under $20. I think the hat box was like 16 bucks. The pants were maybe $20. So far it cost me 35. Then everything else I used, I take that back. And then this little backpack. So it was a full, like a stadium backpack that I ended up cutting and basically attaching. This is coming apart, but this backpack was $5. So basically, if you don't have a pair of pink pants and you don't have a hat box that you can repurpose, you're looking at about $40 plus everything I got at the Dollar Tree, or you might have to purchase the ears. And then, so these two batteries are actually Pringles cans that I just took to bottles, like these are kombucha bottle caps. So I just put them on top. Everything is taped down with duct tape, purchased from the Dollar Tree. The entire battery is covered in duct tape, purchased from the Dollar Tree. The black electrical tape is purchased from the Dollar Tree. And then the Energizer labels and everything, this was printed on my Cricut, but it's really not super hard to do. There goes the dogs. This isn't hard to do. You could easily cut this out on your own if you just printed it off a computer, basically right there. And then for my big old drum, so it has a clear window right there where you could store hats in it. It has a handle right there. And all I did was just spray paint it white. And then everything else came from the Dollar Tree. So the blue and the red duct tape came from Dollar Tree. I just cut the red duct tape into strips and then basically made the lines along the drum. The blue duct tape, basically I just used it to tape down pieces of white foam core that were my kind of structure for the drum. I printed this offline, and there's actually a seam right there in the middle. So I just kind of split it in half and then printed it on my printer. And then I did use my Cricut to cut it out, but I could have easily just cut that out without needing a Cricut. So that is on both sides. I did cover this with white vinyl because I glued it down the first time, not thinking that I needed to identify how the drum sat when I was wearing it. And I realized I put it on sideways and it didn't work out. So then from the Dollar Tree came the blue duct tape, the red duct tape, this blue scarf that I just basically tied binder clips to the inside and then put it inside the zipper here and cut a little hole here. So it sits around like that and just, I think I have it backwards. I do. There we go. There we go. So there's the whole view. And then I only made one drumstick because I felt like I didn't want to have to hold two. So this is a heart wooden stick from the Dollar Tree. And then these are pom-poms from the Dollar Tree. And there is a piece of red fabric also from the Dollar Tree. So all told, I probably spent $45 on everything, but it was definitely worth it relative to the prices of costumes. So the nice thing is I can keep using the pink pants that I purchased, and everything else will probably go into storage since I got my fill out of it. But anyway, I hope everybody has a great Halloween. I hope this idea gives you inspiration in the future on how to make it. It was really really actually easy for the response that I got. And it made everybody smile, especially if you're someone who is high energy and known to be someone who just keeps going and going and brings a lot to the table. It is a perfect Halloween costume. So there. Oh, and lastly, you have to wear the big old glasses. Happy Halloween and happy costume making.